What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can go and set up Google 2FA Authenticator on Bybit. Now to do this, the process is really simple and easy. Just follow all the steps I will show you guys in this video. Now to do this, we will simply go and open a Bybit application. Now once the application is open, here you guys will see this kind of interface. On the top left you will see this mini icon. We'll go and click on it, and here as you guys can see, different options are given to you. And here we will see security. Here we will go and click on security, and there are different options provided to you guys here. And now if you swipe down in the passkey section, you can see Google 2FA authentication. We will go and click on it like this, turn it on. Now here it will send you a verification code to your email. You gotta go and check your email and place the code here. Now here it will ask you to install Google Authenticator app on your phone. As you guys can see, I have already downloaded it from Play Store. You can simply head over to Play Store and install Google Authenticator. Now we'll head back to Bybit. Now once you have done installing the app, here it will provide you with a copy key. You will head over here and copy this key they just provided to you. After that, you have to go to Google Authenticator and paste this key there, and they will provide you with a code. You have to come back here and place that code here. I can't show you that because Google Authenticator does not allow screen recording anymore. So you just gotta follow the instructions I've just told you guys. Once we are done doing that, our Google 2FA authentication is complete. On the top, as you guys can see, our security level is set to high. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.